Hello, children. I hope you all are fit and fine and taking good care of yourselves. In today's English class, we are going to read a very interesting poem, and the title of the poem is Aerodynamic Mishap. Children, we remember some of the things that we all enjoy to do in our childhood. Yes, making some paper aeroplanes and enjoying with it is one of everybody's most favorite memories. And in this poem, we are going to uh, experience how the poet ever made his first paper aeroplane and what happened to it. So let us just read this poem and try to understand. And the poet who has written this poem is Great Lancaster. So let us just enjoy this beautiful poem written by him. I made a paper aeroplane. It really was the best. I took my time to make it right. To that I can attest. I'd planned it all so thoroughly. I'd sketched from either side. I knew that all would be amazed to see it swoop and dive. But its first flight was not to plan, though it soared up high. The teacher turned, it crashed and burned and hit her in the eye. My plane, screwed up, went in the bin. All agreed it was a shame, but my teachers got a big black eye, and I am the one to blame. Now, children, this poem is written by Great Lancaster. The poet says that he made a paper aeroplane, and that was one of the best. Why? Because he took his time to make it the best or to make it the right. He spared his valuable time and efforts to make it right or the best. To that I can attest. To that I can attest means the poet very confidently says and declares this as truth. To attest means something that is true about someone, okay, or to say the truth, to declare the truth. So the author says that I made an aeroplane with all my efforts and I tried to make it the best, and I spared a lot of time to make it right and the best aeroplane, and this is the truth. Okay, I planned it all so thoroughly. I'd sketched from either side. Now he said that he planned about the aeroplane everything so well. So thoroughly means so carefully, completely, or so well. Okay, that means the ideas of what color paper he may use, what type of aeroplane he may make. Okay, so all that was already there in the poet's mind and he planned it so well. Even he sketched on both the sides of the aeroplane. Okay, he might have made some sketch on it. I knew that all would be amazed to see it swoop and dive. And the author knew it that when I'll show up this creation of mine, show up this paper aeroplane to all my friends, they will be amazed. What do you mean by amazed? They will be surprised, okay, to see it. And to see it swoop and dive. Swoop and dive means to move downwards very fast through the air. What do you mean by aerodynamic? An object that can move through the air, right? Along with the movement of the wind, the object also can fly in the same direction. So aerodynamic is related to the movement of an object through air, right? A paper aeroplane flies in the direction where the wind blows, okay? Therefore we say it aerodynamic. All right. So the author was very confident that when he will show up his creation, his aeroplane, to his friends, they will be all amazed, they will be surprised to see it, and moreover, they will be very excited to see the plane swoop down, that is to move downwards, and the dive. Okay, dive also means when the plane lands, okay, it comes from a height to the ground, that means it dives. Okay, but its first flight was not to plan. Though it soared up high, the teacher turned, it crashed and burned and hit her in the eye. Now, to this boy's disappointment, the first flight of the plane was not that good. Though it soared up high means it flew high. So when the poet, he tried to fly his paper plane for the first time, it soared up high, it flew high, but then unfortunately the teacher turned at the moment and it crashed and burned and it hit her eye. So the paper plane that soared high went and hit into the eye of the teacher as she turned. So this was the unfortunate thing that the author faced. My plane screwed up, went in the bin. And what do you think if in the class somebody flies a paper aeroplane and that too it hits the teacher herself? What do you think will be your teacher's reaction? She or he will definitely tear the plane into pieces and will put it into the bin. And this is what the poet's teacher did. She screwed up. Screwed up means she just finished it. Okay, she finished that a paper plane forever, and it went in the bin. She might have crushed it, and you can see it in the picture. Yes, she crushed it and throwed it in the bin. All agreed it was a shame. And now, when you're caught up doing such notorious things in the class, what happens? Everybody around you looks up to you as if you have done something very wrong, right? As if you have committed an offense, right? So everybody was looking up to the to the poet with a shameful expression, right? Because he was caught up and the paper plane hit the teacher's eye. But my teacher got a big black eye, and because she got hurt on her eye, and which is eyes are considered to be very sensitive part of your body, right? So the teacher's eye turned black in color, and I am the one to blame. And who was blamed? The author was blamed for all this nuisance, right? Now, children, you can also see the picture of some different type of planes, paper planes over here, right? So the purpose behind showing these pictures is the activity that is mentioned here on page number 12 of your reader book. Okay, so look at the picture. I'm just reading it. You can just see it is written here in this yellow box. Look at the picture. Can you make a paper aeroplane like this one? How many kind of paper aeroplanes can you make? Check online. And how well and how far do they fly? So this sounds to be an interesting activity. I would request you all that after your exams get over and whenever you have some spare time, please surf on the net and try if you can work well with all these creative paperwork and make different types of airplanes, right? Okay, children, so this was all about this very sweet poem. I hope you all enjoyed the poem and you understood the content of this poem well. Okay, so thank you for your kind attention and take good care of yourselves. Bye.